Question number 2, that is part 5, that is 3 points are given, that is 0, 15, 2, 9 and 7 minus 6, and we have to show by distance formula that these points are collinear or not. Okay, firstly we have to draw these points by using a suitable scale, and the point is 0, 15, we let this point as a, this point as a B and this point as a C. So when we plot these points we get to know that um, the हमने क्या शो करना है कि distance between these 2 points, that is A and C, the distance between A and C is equal to the sum of the distance between AB and BC. अगर हम ये शो कर लेते हैं तो इट्स मीन these points are collinear. यहाँ पे A, this is the let as A, this is B and this is C, यहाँ पे लिखे हुए नहीं है, this is A and this is B. Okay, now see the solution. As we know that these points are A, B and C. So these 3 points are collinear if the distance between A, B and some distance between A, B and B, C को sum अगर हम करते हैं तो हमारे पास AC के equal आ जाता है, तो it's mean these points are collinear. So by using the distance formula we have to find the distance between A and B. Let this point as x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2, that is 9 minus 15 whole square. A point, sorry, x1 y1 and B point is x2 and y2, and when you find the distance between 9 minus 0, 2 minus 0 whole square and 9 minus 15 whole square, so 2 minus 0 that is 2 square and 9 minus 15 that is minus 6 whole square. 2 square is 4, minus 6 square is 36, 4 plus 36 you get square root of 40, and when you have prime factorization से आपने इसका square root find किया तो you get 2 square root of 10. Now we have to find the distance between the B and C. This is that is x2 and this is x1, this is y2, this is y1. So D of BC, that is 7 minus 2 whole square and minus 6 minus 9 whole square. So 7 minus 2 is 5, minus 6 and minus 9 that is minus 15 whole square. 5 square is 25, so 15 square is 225. Sum of these values you get 250, and the square root of 250 by prime factorization you get 5 square root of 10. आप square root previous question में मैंने आपको prime factorization से square root find करना बताया है, ठीक है, तो आप जो है वो वहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि prime factorization से square root कैसे find करेंगे. Now we have to find the distance between A and C. So A and C में again 7 minus 0 whole square and minus 6 minus 15 whole square, 7 square and minus 21, minus 6 and minus 5, minus minus क्या होगा plus, and the साइन आप बड़ी वैल्यू का लगाएंगे, you get minus 21 whole square. 7 square is 49, 21 square is 441. When you add 49 and 441 you get square root of 490, and then by prime factorization when you find the square root of that 490 you get 7 square root of 10. So now we have to check that the distance between AC is equal to the distance between AB plus BC. So when we add the distance between AB and BC, that is 2 square root of 10 and 5 square root of 10, we get the distance between AC, that is 7 square root of 10. 5 और 2 का add करें you get 7 square root of 10. So it's show that by using distance formula we have shown that these points are collinear, means they are lying on same line. Okay, now question number 6 part question number 2 part 6, that is the point is 1 minus 2 7 8 and minus 2 and minus 7. So firstly we have to plot these points. When we plot these points, that is 1 minus 2 7 8 and minus 2 and minus 7, by using suitable scale we plot these points. That is 1 and minus 2 here, x की value 1 है और y की minus 2 है. Point B is here, that is x is 7 and y is 8, and point C is here, that is minus 2 and minus 7. अब ये प्लॉटिंग इसीलिए ज़रूरी होती है कि आपको अंदाज़ा हो जाए कि किन दो पॉइंट्स के दरमियान का डिस्टेंस आपने बाकी दो के सम के इक्वल शो करना है. सो इसको जब हमने प्लॉट किया तो हमें ये अंदाज़ा हुआ कि वी हैव टू शो दैट द बी सी का जो डिस्टेंस है दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ ए बी एंड बी सी. So by using distance formula, how we show that these points are collinear? By finding the distance between B and C. B और C का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे एंड दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन AB एंड सम विद AC. Okay, now we have to find the distance to show that these 3 points are collinear. We have to find the distance between BC, that should be equal to the distance between AC and the sum of the distance between AB. So by using the distance formula, firstly we have find the distance between AB, that is A and B. This point is x1 y1 x2 y2, so that is 7 minus 1 whole square and 8 minus 2 whole square. That negative ये फार्मूले का और ये नेगेटिव इस वैल्यू का होगा. Then this is 7 minus 1, that is 6 square, and 8 plus 2, that should get 10. 10 का square, that is 100. 6 का square 36, you get square root of 136. और square root of 136 को अगर आप बाय जो है वो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इसके स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं तो यू गेट 2 टाइम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 34, जहाँ जो कि यहाँ पे मेंशन है फाइंड आउट करने के बाद. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन B and C. So the point B are 7 and 8 and point C is minus 2 and minus 7. So we take the distance, that is minus 2 minus 7 ka whole square and minus 7 minus 8 ka whole square. So minus 2 minus 7 you get minus 9 ka square, and minus 7 minus 8 you get minus 15 ka whole square. And when you have to simplify that question, आपने 9 का स्क्वायर लिया, नेगेटिव के साथ है बेशक, लेकिन नेगेटिव स्क्वायर रूट की वजह से पॉजिटिव हो गया, यू गेट 81. एंड 15 स्क्वायर इज 225. 225 प्लस 81 you get square root of 306. And by prime factorization we get 3 times square root of 34. ठीक है, इसका आपके पास 3 times. And now if you have to find the distance between AC. AC का आप इसी तरह से फाइंड करेंगे, दैट इज माइनस 2 माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर एंड देन माइनस 7 माइनस 2 का होल स्क्वायर, that is minus 3 का square and minus 5 का square, that is minus 7 plus 2 you get minus 5, and minus 5 square is 25. So you get 9 plus 25 and square root of 34. So when you have to solve this by prime factorization, this is square root of 2 times square root of 34, this is 3 times square root of 34, and this is 34. And by distance formula, to show that these 3 points are collinear, we have to show that the D of BC, distance between BC, should be equal to the distance between AC and the sum of the distance between AB. So D of AB is equal to 3 times square root of 34. D of distance between AC is square root of 34. Distance between AB is 2 times square root of 34. And when we add these two, we get 3 times square root of 34. So these two sides are equal. It's mean that the given 3 points are collinear by distance formula.